Welcome to YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain do these problems and try these problems. So this is the sixth video and sets 10th class maths. So if you not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and share it to your friends and classmates. So let's go to the today topic. So today I am going to explain do these problems. Once again I want to recall subset definition. If all elements present in a set A are also present in the set B, then A is said to be subset of B. What I am saying here, so A లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ బిలో గనక ప్రజెంట్ అయితే ఏని బికి సబ్సెట్ అని చెప్పి అంటాం. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చిండు, చూద్దాం. సెట్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సెట్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 2 3 4 1 కామా 2 కామా 3 కామా 4 అండ్ సెట్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 కామా 4 సెట్ సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 కామా 2 కామా 3 కామా 4 కామా 7 f is equal to, it is a null set. What set it is? Null set. So second one is state which of the following or statement is true. Okay, let's go to the solve these problems. So what is the definition of so fill in the blanks with suitable subset or not subset symbol. It is a subset symbol, it is a not subset symbol. So first question is a dash b. We have to fill either subset or not subset symbol with the symbol. So next, so what is a dash b? A is a subset of b or not, we have to find it. So a has a 4 elements, b has a 2 elements. So which is not subset? Why? Because what is the definition of subset? So all elements of A should be present in set B, but here 3 and 4 not present in the B, so A is not subset of B. So I am going to write here not subset symbol. Understood? So next C. In the C, it contain what it contain 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and 7 4 and 7 4 and 7. So f is C comma A. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 7. So this all elements must be present in A, then only C is a subset of, then only said C only subset of A. So but here we have a 7 in the C contains 7, but A does not contain the 7 element. So that's the difference. So it's not present in the A, that's the reason C does not subset of A. So I am going to write does not subset symbol. So third one, B dash A. So what is the meaning of B dash A? B is a subset. He asking B is a subset of A. Yes, 2 and 4 it contain. So the 2 and 4 also present in the A. So all elements present in B also present in A. So it is a subset. I am going to write subset symbol. Next, A dash C. So A contain 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 elements. The 4 elements are present in the also C. So A is a subset of C. Understood? So B dash C. B has a 2 and 4. So these two elements also present in C. So B is a subset of C. So I am going to write subset C. Phi, already I told you, phi is a null set. Null set is a subset of every set. Null set is a subset of every set. So you have to go, I am going to write subset symbol. Okay, next bit. Next problem. So second problem, state which of the following are statements are true. Which statements are true? So first one is one flower brackets is equal to 5, and second one 5 is equal to 0, third one 0 is equal to 0 element. It contains 0 element. So now I am going to solve this problem. See, first is flower brackets is equal to 5. So empty set we represent with 5 or flower bracket. So it is a first one is true. First one is true. Answer is first one answer is true. So second one answer false. Understood? Why? Because 5 is not equal to 0. Okay, it's not equal to 0. Solution third one, 0 is equal to set contain the 0 element. 0 element means it should have a 0. So it is also false. So first one only true. Okay, this is the true statement. See, a set of quadrilaterals B is equal to square, rectangle, trapezium and rhombus. State whether the A subset B or B subset A. Justify your answer. Try this. Try this. First one given. What he has given? What he has given? What he has given? So given A set is equal to set of quadrilaterals. B. What is the B? Square, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus. Trapezium, rhombus. So what is that? Square, rectangle, trapezium and rhombus. So here it contains the all type of quadrilaterals. These are also quadrilaterals, but B has only 4. So it is more than 4. A is contained more than 4 quadrilateral. For example, so quite also quadrilateral. It should be present in A, and parallelogram also, trapezium already wrote, parallelogram and kite. So many are there. So all type of quadrilaterals are present in A, but B has only 4. These are also present in set A. Square, rectangle, trapezium and rhombus are also present in A. So that's why, therefore B is subset of A. Why? Because this 4 also present in set A. So B is subset of A. Is answer. So second one, if A is equal, set A is equal A comma B comma C comma D, how many subsets does have the set A have? So we are going to find how many subset it has. So already I told in previous class how to find number of subsets. Okay. Second, solution given. You have to write a question same as it is in classwork, then keep the solution and write this one. Given A is equal, set A is equal to A comma B comma C comma D. So cardinal number of A is equal to cardinal number of elements present in A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So now number of subset number of subset is equal. So how can you write 2 to the power of A to the power of n? So that is equal to cardinal number. I here write the power. Understood? This is the formula. 2 to the power of n of A. So ఒక B ఉంటే B సెట్ రాసుకోవాలి. ఇది ఇచ్చినోడి. Okay, right. Cardinal numbers. How many numbers are present? How many elements are present in A? N of A is equal to 4. Instead of this power, I wrote 4. 2 to the power of 4 now. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 is answer. What is the answer? 16 is the answer. We have to tick it. 16 is C. It is correct answer. You have to just tick it. See third question. P is a set of factors of 5. Q is a set of factors of 25 and R is a set of factors of 125. Which one of the following is false? Which one is following is false? So I am going to write solve this problem. So same question I wrote here. So first of all, P is a set of factors of, sorry I did not write here, factors of 5. So solution. So P is equal to, what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. So Q is a factors of set of factors of 125. 1 comma 5 comma 25. So R is a factors of 125. What are the 125 factors? 1 comma 5 comma 25 comma 125. These are the factors of given sets. So now we have to see P state whether which one of the following are false. So P and Q, P subset Q, are it is true or false. We have to see. P contains 1 and 5, the same elements present in the Q. So it is correct. P is a subset of Q. So next Q subset R is said. So Q is this one, 1 5 6. Q contain 1 comma 5 comma 25. These three elements also present in R. So it is also correct. So Q is a subset of R. So it is correct. So R subset P. R is where? Here. So 1 comma 5 comma 25 comma 125 is subset to P. So it is wrong. So this is the false. This is the false. You have to just tick it. Or here write false. So C is a false. You have to write down like this. Okay. Next, fourth question. A is a set of prime numbers less than 10. A is a set of odd numbers less than 10, and C is a set of even numbers 10. How many following are statements are true? So we are going to write true statements. I am going to write the question in the, so here I wrote the question. So first of all I am going to write the elements of set. So A is a set of prime numbers. I am going to write less than 10 prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers. B is equal to, B is a set of odd numbers less than 10. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the prime numbers. So next C. C is equal to, what is the set C? The set of even numbers less than 10. Even numbers 2 and 4, 6, 8 less than 10 only. Okay, 8. These are the elements are present in respective sets. So A is a subset of B. So A is a subset of B? No. Why? Because here we have a odd numbers 3, 5, 7 is present in B also, but 2 does not present in the B. So it is false. And next B subset A. So this 3 elements present in this A set, but 1 and 9 is not present in the A. So it is also false. So A subset C, A subset C. So 2 only present in the set C, but remaining are different elements, so not same elements, so it is a false. C subset A, it is also false. Why? Because the same elements are C. What are the elements present in C does not present in the A. So B subset of C. So B does not except 1 and 9. Remaining are present here, but according to subset definition, which is not correct. So it is also false. So last one true. Why? Because 5 is a null set or empty set. Empty set is a subset of every set. Thank you for watching.